Hello, my name is Tommy Chamberlin, and I'm running for Pike District Judge in Division 2. I've been involved in our community in many ways. I'm the alumni president at the University of Pikeville. I'm an adjunct professor there. I'm a frequent speaker at area churches, often related to the biblical archaeology projects that I help create and direct for our community. The most relevant involvement I have, though, is as Pike Chief Assistant County Attorney for the last, going on the 16th year this year. So let's talk about what a district judge does. A district judge has many responsibilities, including probates, guardianships, small claims matters, but probably the most important is overseeing criminal matters that deal with misdemeanors and even felonies at preliminary levels. I view my election as a job interview with the people of Pike County. So when you go on a job interview, you try to think of, well, what is your qualifications? What makes you qualified for this job? And how do you compare to the other people who are applying for the job? So I have a few thoughts about that. As I mentioned, I'm currently on my 16th year as your Chief Assistant Pike County Attorney. Now, who does a county attorney represent? We represent the people of Pike County, the people of Kentucky. We represent the people in cases against criminal defendants. Now, what should a prosecutor do? What does a county attorney do? Well, we seek justice, fairness, and I've always thought it's important to look at any criminal matter and determine what does the community expect us to do in a case. And I think that compares well to a judge. What does a judge have to do? The judge has to be fair and impartial, and I believe the judge should always keep in mind community expectations, especially when it comes to criminal matters. Now, my 16 years of experience as the Chief Assistant County Attorney gives me by far the most experience of any of the candidates running for District Judge. Actually, 10 of the last years, I've been actually the prosecutor in the courtroom that I'm running for Judge in. Now, when you compare that to my opponents, I have much more experience, but it's important even to talk about what kind of experience. Mine is representing the people, and in contrast, for example, Mr. Hamilton and Mr. May has spent their careers primarily representing criminal defendants. Now, after 16 years of doing my best to do the right thing day in and day out for the people of Pike County and District Court, I'm concerned about the future of justice in our district courts. And that's why I chose to run for District Judge. So I hope you'll consider casting your vote for me, a vote for honesty, integrity, and experience for Tommy Chamberlin, number 5 on the ballot on May 22nd. Thank you for your consideration.